What's up, guys? Black Wing Nations here, coming at you with pack openings. We have 7 Lord of the Tachyon Galaxies right here for you. I already took them out the package, so let's get started. Probably everything I pull out of here will probably be for trade or sale, unless I state otherwise. Nice super duck fighter.
One down more after.
Cards?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. What the hell?
Oh, hell. One of the Thunder Ruler guys. Okay, cool. Oh shit. Number 107 Galaxy Eyes Tachyon.
That's the guy on the cover.
Sweet. Very nice. That was a nice pack.
You gotta show the rest of it. Fuck.
Huh?
You didn't show the rest of it.
Oh shit, my bad.
Oh shit. Why did I just zoom in? I zoomed in by accident.
You go.
Getting all the fucking dragon.
Dang, all the dragon rulers.
Oh my
Nice
god.
ultra rare Constellar Omega.
What are we, 3 for 3 packs right now?
Yeah, 3 for 3. Let's keep it going. Keep this shit going.
Get like a dragon roller deck now.
And Arby's Pet Phantasm Dragon. Wow. Ah, dang. Stopped our streak. It's alright. So far the dragon rulers I pulled out, those will not be for trade. Those are most likely gonna go in my collection binder. Nice, number 69. The Super Constellar Sombre. Very nice. Nope. Last pack, guys. See if we can end with a hollow. I'm good so far. 4 for 6. Mega Phantom Beast. No hollow. But that was still really good 7 packs. We got recap. Got Super Constellar Sombre, Ultra Constellar Omega, Ultra Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon, and a Super Duck Fighter. And that's it, guys, for this pack open. Everything that I pulled out of here will be for trade, except for the Dragon Ruler cards. So feel free to give me a PM. And my cameraman today is my cousin, Supreme Yu-Gi-Oh! Link will be in the description. Go check out his channel. And that's it, guys. And this is Black Wing Nation signing off. Peace.